Making a choice of careers is definitely a mind-boggling experience. That's why it's extremely important that you have the facts, the correct facts. In daily conversation, we're all asked, "What do you do for a living?" When someone replies that they are a court reporter, they always get three responses. They make a great salary. They do. They work hard. They do. Aren't they being replaced by tape recorders, video, digital recording, voice to print, all that new technology? No, they're not. They are the new technology. Students who have attended court reporting school, typically a 2.5 to 3.5 year program, pass their state certification requirements if necessary, have the opportunity to work in this absolutely wonderful, challenging, and extremely rewarding profession. There are two types of court reporters. The first is called the official court reporter. They work in the state and or federal courthouse, taking down civil, criminal trials, motions, hearings, pleas, etc. They are an employee of the state or of the government. They are paid a handsome salary and benefits and go to the same place of business every day. They normally start at 8 or 9 and finish by 4 or 5. These times fluctuate according to the assignments. Official court reporters received a lot of attention during the O.J. Simpson trial. They were there right on your TV screen. You've probably also seen on TV the various legal programs and occasionally catch a glimpse of a court reporter there, right up front, right in the action. The other type of reporter is called a freelance court reporter. They are independent contractors. They are self-employed. They travel to different locations virtually every day to take depositions, arbitrations, municipal hearings, board meetings, etc. They work with the deaf and or hard of hearing people. Some reporters attend school with deaf and or hearing impaired students, sitting side by side with their laptops and steno machines, instantly translating what the teacher and or professor is saying so that the student can read their screen and participate in the class. They also work with large corporations providing their service to deaf and or hearing impaired employees so that they too can participate and interact in company meetings. When you see closed captioning provided by on TV, a court reporter is providing that service. And with the new regulations regarding closed captioning for television, the demand is so great for court reporters that positions are becoming hard to fill. Freelance court reporters in their first year earn approximately $50,000. The average salary of a freelance court reporter with 5 years of experience is approximately $70,000 to $90,000. Do your math and see that salary just keeps going up. Remember, court reporters are self-employed. They can work as much or as little as they want, and they can work anywhere they want. There are thousands of court reporters nationwide. Don't like the climate in Indiana? With your skills and training, you can work in any state you wish. This is not a 5-day-a-week, a 9-to-5 job. Why use a court reporter, you say, when you can just use a tape recorder? What is it about that profession that makes a court reporter necessary and not very easily replaceable? It's their unique skill, their dedication, their intense training. In order to pass our state CSR, court reporters are required to write at 225 words per minute and pass a written knowledge exam. Don't let that scare you. It's not like writing on a typewriter. The steno machine has only 22 keys on it, and they are used in the most intriguing way to create such speed and accuracy. Your first few months of court reporting school, you will be learning what we call theory, which is like learning how to read and write a new language that only court reporters know. You start at 0 words per minute and gradually work your way up to 225 words per minute. Court reporters are there swearing the witness in, writing down the spoken word. If they don't understand or don't hear something, they say, "Excuse me, can you repeat that?" Or, Can you spell that? They do whatever they have to do to make sure they have an accurate record of the testimony given. They use medical, legal, scientific, engineering, physics, and patent dictionaries and databases to verify spellings and terms. They're not rocket scientists, but at times they make the testimony of rocket scientists. They're online in chat rooms, interacting with other court reporters, going to the ends of the earth to find the correct spellings of a technical term. In short, they sign a certificate at the end of their transcript, their work product, that it is true and accurate testimony. Court reporters are licensed and governed by the state they work in. They have mandatory continuing education credits that they must comply with. They are and have always been the new technology. They are true professionals. They are the human factor of the court reporting profession and will never be replaced. They have been a myriad of studies and investigations done that have shown time and time again that court reporters are the best, most accurate, and preferred method of recording any proceeding. They are the guardians of the record.